Hi, so the next Mighty Byte is about how we're going to store our component design with Storybook in Vue applications. So when I run the automatically in it, you can see here, it will just doing everything for me, and I did add Storybook support to my application. What does it add? It will add a script command for Storybook and a script command for building the Storybook for deployment. It will add several packages for the add-ons like interactions or for onboarding, for essentials. Even you can also add it for accessibility. In addition, it have the folder called Storybook where we have a main, which will this is where you add anything else. For example, if you want to add more, this where you can define the story, where the framework to use, all the add-on you want to add it. And the preview is how you can wrap the story inside. Let's say if you want to wrap it with some header, or you want to add in some icon or load in some icon library before. And in here, I already wrote something called a Pokemon story. Great. You can see it comes with some example. I have one component. So how do this Pokemon story look? So this Pokemon story will have we have a title, which is the component stand for the header, and then the story itself, the component itself. I pass the component. I pass the tag for auto document extracting from your props, and then I pass a Pokemon that is sample Pokemon, and I create a first story called primary for the Pokemon itself. So when you go here, you have a primary, and it will display the Pokemon result. But you can see here the Pokemon is not exactly the same like in this one with the fonts. It is because in our application we have the font defined in the global style. So to fix it, we can go to preview and we can make sure that we import the global style, which is the asset, and we do the I think it's the base CSS, and that's it. We have everything here, and you can also define the actions. You can also, let's say, enable the visual testing for accessibility, or you can interact it with it where you can see the skeleton and other interactions. Check it out and try it. Let me know how it goes. Thanks.